Hello and welcome back to the channel. First off, I was wrong. I did a very big mistake here. I thought that Bitcoin was repeating what was happening here, and that's what I've been saying on this channel. Now, first of all, I know many people will be happy that I was wrong because, well, it means Bitcoin will definitely go up from here. I have been saying for the past weeks that Bitcoin was repeating what it's doing here. So in one of my videos, you may have seen me say that this was like A and this was like B. So if what I am thinking is correct, and if what I've been saying is correct, except for the part where I was wrong, then this should close above this line right here. Now, this is on the weekly time frame, remember? And I said that this is the bullish engulfing pattern right here. And after the bullish engulfing pattern, the next candle is most likely not bullish. The same thing happening here. This is the bullish engulfing pattern. The next candle is not bullish. The candle after that starts to be bullish and it goes up from there. So this rally up here is in respect to this bullish engulfing pattern that we see here. All right. So what is basically happening here, and what I think is going to happen, is this candle is going to close above this line right here to make us go back into this ascending triangle. All right, now I'll go onto the weekly, onto the monthly time frame soon. So what we see here is the bullish engulfing pattern, a dump and a rally. So when this happens on the hourly time frame, the next hour is a bullish hour, but the beginning minutes of that hour is not bullish, which means if we have a bullish engulfing pattern on the hourly time frame, the first 30 minutes are not usually bullish. The next 30 minutes, say the last 20 minutes, that is where the effect of that bullish engulfing pattern comes into play. That is kind of the same thing that we are seeing here. We saw a bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly time frame. So the next week will most likely not be bullish. It is around the ending of that week and say the beginning of the next week. No, it is around the beginning of the next week that we start to see some bullish price action. And it will also happen in the monthly time frame. That is why in my last video I was suggesting that it is in February that we will actually see the rally we have all been craving for. So in February, I think February could explode around here. That is taking off from this ascending triangle that we see here. So if we go onto the monthly time frame, we will see it like so. So we see that we need to close above this line here. We need to close above the 0.5 golden ratio. If we close above that golden ratio, then we will be inside of this ascending triangle, confirming that we are inside of this ascending triangle and we should be going up from there. Which means if this month closes up here, January should take off and take us up to here. Now, normally we will have some resistance around here. Maybe we will close the month somewhere in the middle. Of course, we can as well blast off from there and continue going up, but I don't see that happening. I think this could be January, this could be February, that we actually get to rally, like we actually get to go onto the magnificent rally we've all been thinking about. Anyway, before here, we will all be in profits. One more thing that I want to make you understand, I constantly take my profits. I don't wait until we go onto this rally before I'm taking profits. I always take off some of my profits. If I'm in, say, a 50% profit, I will take at least 25% off. Yeah, I don't leave my profits and leave my coins. No, I constantly take profits. And so when you take these profits, you can go and invest it in another crypto, or you can do whatever you want with it. So that's the way I do my own stuff. So where I was wrong was I thought that Bitcoin will go down to 37,000. I've been saying that Bitcoin could go down to 37,000, and how I saw that was I was looking at this as an ascending wedge right here. So I saw this as an ascending wedge, which we broke out of. So you can see this here, this lines that I drew, and this is on the weekly time frame, so it would not really show that much. But let's just say I shift this like this. If I shift this line like this, and let's put that like this, and here we can see that this was kind of like an ascending wedge here. So where my mistake was is that if this was to go down to $37,000, it will confirm that we are in a bear market. It will confirm that we are being bearish, because we would have broken this high here. So we have, say, we have the first high here, the second high, and if we broke if we broke this second high and come back like this, it means we are going bearish. Now, it is not entirely clear that we are like going up for the rally as of now. We need to close the monthly time frame inside of this ascending triangle to confirm that. But I'm just saying, because Bitcoin, I think it is going to do that, because this is like the last week, or the last, I don't keep track of days and dates. I don't even know my birthday. Anyway, so that is what I think is going to happen. That is what I think is happening now. That is why I'm just making this quick video for you guys. And I think dollar cost averaging is the best way to go about it if you are going to be investing in these markets. This is not financial advice. This is just me making a video telling you of where I was wrong and what I think could happen as we continue to go up. So this would have been this right here. Let me take this off. This right here would have been the bottom of this crash. This right here, that is $42,000. That would have been the bottom of this crash, and this candle is the same as this candle here. So this candle should take us above our ascending triangle here, which should give us about $51,200, about $51,200. That would be it. If that closes above there, then we could say that we are somewhat safe. So from there, next week, which should be the beginning of January, we should at least go up until here. Now, we are not going up straight. Some people might think we'll go up straight. We could go have some resistance, come back down, retest here, continue, and then maybe January ends around somewhere here. All right. I do think that if we go until the end of January and touch this line right here, we may as well, or even go up above it, we may as well face this resistance and come back down and close. And then February continues. We can see the example here. If we go back onto the monthly time frame, we can see the example here. Oh God. All right, so here we can see that this candle went up until here, that's 67,000, and came back down to close under our resistance level. This was the same thing that happened here. We went up and came back down. So it will be no mystery if we go up here this January and also come back down. We could as well close above it. That's possible. But I just think that January could be a fruitful month. If we, of course, close above this line, this support line right here. If we don't, then I may as well not have been wrong after all. But I do think I was wrong to think that Bitcoin will go as low as $37,000. So I know some people are happy. I am also happy that I was wrong, but I know perhaps someone was waiting that it goes right down there and then the person invests. Dollar cost averaging is always the way forward. Never think that I am perfect in this. I am not. Everyone could be wrong. Yeah, this is Bitcoin, this is crypto, this is how it works. So yeah, see you in the next video. Stay safe, guys.